Maintaining a drainage ditch is a critical task for managing water and protecting property. A drainage ditch is designed to channel excess water away from fields, roads, and buildings, preventing flooding and soil erosion. Proper maintenance ensures it functions correctly. The process begins with regular inspection. You should inspect your ditch several times a year, especially after heavy storms. Look for obvious problems. Are there blockages from trash or fallen branches? Is vegetation growing too thick? Has sediment filled the bottom of the ditch? Are the banks eroding or slumping? Early detection makes problems easier to fix. The most frequent maintenance task is clearing debris. Leaves, sticks, plastic bottles, and other trash can quickly create a dam. This dam causes water to back up, potentially flooding your property. Use a heavy-duty rake or a pitchfork to pull out this material. For larger debris like big logs, you may need more powerful equipment. Always dispose of the removed debris properly and away from the ditch. Next, you must manage vegetation. A healthy cover of grass on the ditch banks is good. It helps hold the soil in place and prevents erosion. However, tall weeds, thick brush, and small trees are a problem. They slow down water flow and can catch more debris. Their roots can also damage the ditch's structure over time. You should regularly mow the grass along the banks. Trim back any encroaching brush. Small trees should be removed completely, including their root systems if possible. Be careful when using herbicides, ensuring they are approved for use near waterways. Another key step is removing sediment. Over time, silt, sand, and soil will wash into the ditch and settle on the bottom. This buildup reduces the ditch's depth and its capacity to carry water. You will need to dig this sediment out. For a small ditch, a shovel and wheelbarrow might be enough. For larger ditches, you may need to hire a contractor with a mini excavator. The goal is to restore the ditch to its original design depth and slope. Pay close attention to the ditch banks. If you see areas where the soil is washing away, you need to stabilize them. Unstable banks contribute to sediment buildup and can eventually collapse. Planting deep-rooted grasses is an effective, natural solution. In areas with severe erosion, you might need to install riprap, which is a layer of large stones, or use erosion control matting. Finally, check any structures like culverts or pipes that are part of the ditch system. Ensure they are not crushed, cracked, or blocked. A blocked culvert is a major cause of localized flooding. Keeping your drainage ditch clear and well-maintained is an ongoing responsibility, but it is essential for preventing water damage and preserving the value of your land. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.